dear students, today start Aufbau Principle. The term Aufbau is German word which means building up. This principle tells that how the electrons are filled in the various subsets or orbitals by increasing order of the energies. The principle the electrons are filled in the various subsets by increasing order their energies. That means that is the subsets with lowest energy are filled of electron first before higher energy subsets. That means between two or more subsets, which subsets have lowest energy is filled electron first before higher energy subsets. The filling of different subsets by increasing order of the energies can be explained by n plus N2. This rule tells about how electrons are filled by increasing order of the energies. N is called the principal quantum number, N is called azimuthal quantum number. According to this rule, the subsets with lowest n plus n value is filled electron first. That means between two or more subsets, the subsets with lowest n plus n value is filled electron first, that is lowest energy. For example, 1s and 2s orbital. For 1s n equal to 1, 2s n equal to 2. For 1s n equal to 0 for s subset. For 2s n equal to 0 for s subset. The value of n plus n becomes 1 plus 0 equal to 1, 2 plus 0 equal to 2. That means the value of n plus n for 1s subset equal to 1, 2s subset equal to 2. That means the 1s subset have lowest energy than 2s orbital by n plus n rule, so that the 1s orbital is filled electron first before 2s orbital, right? Number 2, when two or more subsets have same n plus n value, the subset with lowest n value is filled up first. That means for 2p and 3s orbital, okay, the value of n equal to 2, value of n equal to 3, n value for p 1, for s 0, n plus n becomes 2 plus 1 3, 3 plus 0 3. In this case, for 2p and 3 subsets, the value of n plus n remains same. But this rule tells that between two or more subsets having same n plus n value, the subset with lowest value of n having lowest energy and field return fast. That means 2p subset field return fast before 3s subset. This is all about n plus n rule. The sequence in which the electron field in the various subsets are explained below. By applying n plus n rule, that is n equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That is n equal to 0, n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3. Okay. We know that the value of n equal to 0 to n minus 1, and also know that for S subset n equal to 0, for P subset n equal to 1, for D subset n equal to 2, for F subset n equal to 3. Okay. For n equal to 1, by putting 1 we get 0, that is L0S, that is 1S. Similarly, for 2, the value will become 0 to 2 minus 1, 0 1, 0 L0, that is S, L1, that is P, that is 2S and 2P. Okay. Similarly, by putting 3, we get 0 to 3 minus 1, 0 1 2, that is S, that is P, that is D, that is 3S, that is 3P, that is 3D. Similarly, by putting 4, we can get 0 to 3, that is 4S, 4P, 4D and 4F. Okay. Similarly, by putting 5, we get 5S, 5P, 5D, 5F. Similarly, 6S, 6P, 6D, that is 7S and 7P. Okay, you can calculate the value of n plus L, n plus L, L. That is, for 1s orbital, the value of n equal to 1 is equal to 0. We can get the value of n plus L equal to, for 1s, that is 1. For 2s, the value of n plus L, 2 plus 0, that is 2. For 2p and 3s, the value of n plus L becomes 3. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 0, 3. For 3p and 4s, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 0, 4, that is 4. Similarly, for 3d, 4p and 5s, 5 plus 0, 5, 4 plus 1, 5, 3 plus 2, 5. For 6s, 5p and 4 orbital, 4 plus 2, 6, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 0, 6. Similarly, for 4f, 5p, 6p and 7p orbital, 7s orbital, 7 plus 0, 7, 6 plus 1, 7, 5 plus 2, 7, 4 plus 3, 7. That is, we have 6, we have 7. That is 5 plus 2, 5 plus 3, 8, 6 plus 2, 8, 7 plus 1, 8. That is 8. See, by applying n plus n rule, we can arrange all the subsets by increasing order the energies. That is, for 1s subcell, that is 1 plus 0, that is 1 n plus l value. For 2s, the value of n plus l equal to 2. For 2p and 3s, between 1s and 2s, we know that by applying n plus l rule, the subcell with lowest value of n plus l is filled between first between 1s and 2s. 1s orbital have lowest n plus l value is filled between first. Before 2s orbital, that is the energy of 1s orbital lowest than 2s orbital. Similarly, between 2p and 3s subcell, for 2p and 3s, the value of n plus l 3. The n plus l rule tells that when two or more subcells having same n plus l value, the lowest value of n have lowest energy is feed electron fast, that is 2p subcell have lowest energy and feed electron fast before 3 submittal. Similarly, for 3p and 4s, the value of n plus l equal to 4. Between 3p and 4s, the subcell with lowest value of n, that is 3p, have lowest energy than 4s orbital and electron fast before 4s orbital. For 3d, 4p and 5 subcells, the value of n plus l equal to 5 for all these 3 subcells. But among these 3 subcells, the lowest value of n is have lowest energy and feed electron fast. Between 3d, 4p and 5s, 3d subcell have lowest energy. That means the value of n equal to 3 here, 4 equal to 5. So that the electron first filled in 3d, then 4p, then 5s. Similarly, for 4d, 5p and 6s, the value of n plus l equal to 6. But the energy of 4d subcell lowest among 5p and 6s subcell. So that the electron first filled in 4d, then 5p, then 6s. Similarly, for 4a, 5d and 6p and 7s subcells, the value of n plus l becomes 7. So that among these, lowest value of n have lowest energy, that is n value 4 in case of 4f subcell. So that the electron first filled in 4f, then 5d, then 6p, then 7s. Similarly, for 5a, 6d and 7p subcells, the value of n plus l becomes 8. Among these, the 5f orbital of 5 subcells have lowest energy than 6d and 7p subcell. So that the electrons are filled first 5f, then 6d, then 7p. Now write the increasing of the energies. Energy order. One s less than 2s less than 3s. 1s 2s less than 2p less than 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 3d less than 4p less than 5s less than 4d less than 5p less than 6s less than 4f less than 5d less than 6p less than 7s less than 5f less than 6d less than 7p. That means 1s subcell have lowest energy and 7p subcell have highest energy. The arrangement like this: 1s less than 2s less than 2p less than 3s less than 3p less than 4s less than 3d less than 4p less than 5s less than 4d less than 5p less than 6s less than 4f less than 5d less than 6p less than 7s less than 5f less than 6d less than 7p. This is the increasing order of the energies of different orbitals, how electrons are filled in various subcells. This is called Aufbau Principle. Now, for example, subcell, that is 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, okay, 3d, 4p, okay. The value of L, n plus L. Okay, value of n, value of n, value of n plus n value 1 L0, n2 L0, n2 L1, n3 L0, n3 L1, n4 L0, n3 L2, n4 L1. Here n plus L equal to 1, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. This is according to n plus L rule. The subset with lowest value of n plus L field running fast and lowest energy, that is 1s or 2s. Between 1s 2s, 1s have lowest value of n plus L, that is lowest energy field running fast. Before 2s are written, 1s then 2s. Then between 2p and 3s, the value of n plus L becomes 3 in both cases. The value of n, lowest, having lowest energy between 2p and 3s, the value of n plus L remains same. But according to n plus L rule, between two subsets having same n plus L value, the subset with lowest value of n have lowest energy and the field electron fast. Therefore, the energy of 2p orbital or 2p subset is less than 3s subset, so that 2p field electron fast before 3s subset. Similarly, for 3p and 4s, the value of n plus L becomes 4 in both cases, but the energy of 3p subset lowest than 4s subset, because the value of n is lowest in case of 3p subset according to n plus L rule, so that 3p subset get electron fast before 4s subset. Similarly, for 3d and 4p, the value of n plus L equal to 5. But according to n plus L rule, two or more subsets having same n plus L value, the subset with lowest value of n have lowest energy and field electron fast. That means the energy of 3d subset is lowest than 4p subset. Therefore, 3d subset get electron fast before 4p subset. Similarly, we know that maximum number of electrons in a subset equal to 2, for p subset equal to 6, for d subset equal to 10, and f subset equal to 40. That is, here s orbital maximum to 1s2. Similarly, for 2s2, 2p maximum 6, 3s2, 3p 6, 4s2, 3d 10, 4p 6, 5s2, 4d 2, 40 10, 5p 6, 6s2, 4f 40, 5d 10, 6p 6, 7s2, 5p 40, 6d 10, 7p 6. That means A subcell maximum contains 2 electrons, P subcell contains maximum 6 electrons, D subcell maximum contains 10 electrons, and F subcell maximum contains 40 electrons. Okay guys, this is all about this principle. In doubt, please write in comment box. Thank you a lot.